As we just saw, the MOSFET has two distinct regions, triode and saturation. Let us write down a mathematical expression for each of these regions for the relationship between ID, the drain current, and vDS, the voltage between drain and source. So for the triode region, the equation will be this one, and for the saturation region, the equation will be this one. Notice that there is no vDS term in the saturation region. The reason being that the current ID is independent of vDS in the saturation region. We'll study that in more detail in the upcoming lessons. Now, what are these quantities? Look at this one here. This is the process transconductance parameter, and it is a constant determined by the process technology when the NMOS is fabricated. It has dimensions of ampere per volt square. The second one, W/L, is known as the aspect ratio of the MOSFET, where W is the channel width and L is the channel length. These can be selected by the circuit designer to obtain a particular aspect ratio when designing the circuit. Remember these equations as we are going to be using them frequently in the upcoming lessons.